Innovations in Six Sigma training and development. A major advancement in Six Sigma training is the shift to online courses. Remote work and digital learning have risen. Now, organizations can offer high-quality, global Six Sigma training to employees. Lean Six Sigma training methods. Lean Six Sigma combines Six Sigma and Lean methods. It is a powerful way to improve processes. Lean-based training methods aim to eliminate waste and maximize value. They lead to more efficient, streamlined processes. Integrating lean practices into Six Sigma training can yield even better results. Modern Six Sigma tools. New technology has created tools and software that improve Six Sigma training. These tools can better analyze data, track progress, and find areas for improvement. These tools can help organizations improve and speed up training. Best practices in Six Sigma training. As Six Sigma evolves, best practices in training are being updated. Organizations are using new methods to train employees. They offer interactive workshops and customized solutions. This ensures employees have the knowledge and skills to succeed. Best practices in Six Sigma training can help organizations. They can maximize the impact of process improvement initiatives. Interactive Six Sigma workshops. Interactive workshops offer a hands-on, engaging learning experience. They reinforce key concepts. Using activities, simulations, and real-world case studies can make training more engaging. Organizations should use them. Interactive workshops help participants apply Six Sigma principles. This leads to a deeper understanding of the methodology. Agile Six Sigma training. Agile methodology is focused on adaptability, collaboration, and iterative improvement. Agile principles in Six Sigma training can help. They can make process improvements respond to changing business needs. Conclusion. In conclusion, new ideas in Six Sigma training are shaping process improvements future. Organizations are using new methods to improve employees' skills.